At IBC Solar, we take care of securing the yield and maintaining the value of your investment. With us, you get everything from one source. We are motivated by the plus in operation and maintenance. Daily performance monitoring with detailed analyses. Tailor-made maintenance management with informative reporting. Fast troubleshooting and high availability plus individual engineering services. Continuous freedom from shade in accordance with regulatory requirements. Our responsibility: we secure the return and value of your investment, and do so sustainably. Your investment in safe hands.